A Dremel tool is a versatile rotary tool that has become a staple in many workshops and households for its wide range of applications. But when it comes to tougher materials like metal, many people wonder, can a Dremel actually cut through metal effectively? The answer is yes, but there are important considerations to keep in mind to ensure both safety and success. Dremel tools operate at high speeds and can be fitted with a variety of attachments and accessories designed for specific tasks. When it comes to cutting metal, the most commonly used accessories are reinforced cutoff wheels, metal cutting discs, and sometimes carbide bits. Each of these accessories is engineered to handle the hardness and density of metal. But the choice depends on the thickness and type of metal you plan to cut. Let's start with the basics. Thin sheet metal, small rods, or screws are ideal candidates for cutting with a Dremel. The tool's high-speed rotation, combined with an abrasive cutting wheel, allows for precise, controlled cuts. For these types of jobs, a fiberglass reinforced cutoff wheel is often recommended. This wheel is robust enough to handle the resistance of metal and less likely to shatter compared to thinner, non-reinforced discs. When using a Dremel to cut metal, it's essential to let the tool do the work. Apply gentle, steady pressure and avoid forcing the tool through the material, which could damage both the accessory and the tool itself. Safety is a top priority. Cutting metal generates sparks and tiny shards, so always wear safety goggles and gloves. It's also wise to work in a well-ventilated area and keep flammable materials away from your workspace. If the metal piece is small, secure it with a clamp or vise to prevent movement while cutting. This not only makes the process safer, but also improves the accuracy of your cut. The speed setting on your Dremel also plays a crucial role. Metal cutting typically requires a higher speed, but it's important to check the manufacturer's recommendations for both the Dremel model and the specific cutting accessory you're using. Start at a moderate speed and increase as needed, monitoring the tool's performance and the temperature of both the tool and the workpiece. If the metal becomes too hot, it can damage the accessory or cause uneven cuts. Taking short breaks during cutting allows both the tool and the metal to cool down. For thicker metal, such as steel pipes or large bolts, a Dremel can still be useful, but it may take longer and require more patience. In these cases, making several shallow passes, rather than trying to cut through the metal in one go, is often more effective. This gradual approach minimizes wear on the cutting wheel and reduces the risk of overheating. After making the cut, the edges of the metal may be sharp or rough. Fortunately, the Dremel can also be fitted with grinding stones, sanding bands, or polishing wheels to smooth and finish the edges, leaving you with a clean, professional result. In summary, a Dremel can indeed cut metal, especially when equipped with the right accessories and used with proper technique and safety precautions. It excels at smaller, detailed jobs and even intricate cuts where larger power tools might be too unwieldy. While it may not replace heavy-duty tools like angle grinders for big projects, the Dremel's precision and versatility make it a valuable asset for metalworking tasks small and large. Whether you're tackling a home repair, a craft project, or a bit of DIY metalwork, with preparation and care, your Dremel is up to the task.